This is Meiosis and Mitosis by S.FRO AT and Alana Taylor. And introducing S.FRO and AT on the mic. Today's rap will be on the process of mitosis. If you want to pass the test, you really gotta notice the phases are essential to our lives. Listen up, y'all. I'll take you for a ride. Prophase begins, chromosomes are coiled up, spindle links to centrioles, connecting them up. By the end, the nuclear envelope is gone. Nucleolus too. I swear I'm not wrong. Next is metaphase, and it looks like this. There's a lot going on. I'll give you a list. The centromeres go to opposite poles, poles apart from each other, like they were foes. The chromosomes have a date along the metaphase plate. Yeah, don't be late. Moving on to anaphase, split in two phases, ending up with DNA in two distinct places. The sister chromatids are split, saying see you later, sis. The microtubules elongate, they're going for a ride, and the chromosomes are pulled to opposite sides. That's anaphase. It's simple enough. Here's the next one. Can you keep up? Moving on through mitosis, switch into telophase to do some cleanup and change the pace. The chromosomes attach at opposite poles, both to assume the interphase role. They get their own nuclear envelope. Isn't this mitosis stuff dope? The spindle disappears, nucleolus reforms, and that's how mitosis is performed. That's a wrap.
Meiosis is the process of gametes use. Sexual reproduction makes you be you. Meiosis begins when chromosomes are double. DNA replication means double the trouble. Prophase 1 is where chromosomes replicate. Then they mix their DNA, they love, they don't hate. Crossing over allows for genetic variation, so you don't have clones on your family vacation, yeah? The next stage of meiosis is metaphase 1, but we're still very far from being totally done. The homologous pairs move together like bows and line up in the middle like the picture shows. Anaphase 1, the cell starts to divide to prepare it elongates and gets really wide. You see, each chromosome is two haploid sets, so they start to split apart, but let's not jump ahead. They're pulled apart by opposing poles. Centrioles are pushed apart by microtubules. Last stage is telophase 1, after which the first division is completely done. The chromosomes arrive at the poles on each side. The microtubules that create the spindle network die. Cytokinesis completes the separation of the two daughter cells. They're the next generation. Then they go to meiosis 2. With half of the number of chromosomes, the next phase is no slumber, it's meiosis 2. The second division is meiosis 2. It's like the process of mitosis we explained to you. This time we're dividing to daughter cells to get the final product of our haploid cells. What? The order is the same, but just add a 2. Here are some pictures. It's nothing new. First we have second prophase. The centrioles start to move in different ways. And next we have metaphase 2, don't hate. Single chromosomes align along the metaphase plate. And anaphase 2 is the picture shows sister chromatids split into sister chromosomes. Telophase 2 is where it all ends, but when it comes to life, it's also where it begins. The spindle disappears and the cells separate, resulting in 4 haploid cells. It's telophase.
What? Yeah!
Yeah, that's a wrap. Meiosis and mitosis.
Meiosis and Mitosis!